So who will be helping me is my Masi.
Hello everybody.
Okay, it was a very rainy day, and what's good on rainy days? That's right, onion bhajis. So today we're going to be making onion bhajis. So we already cut up the onions. They're supposed to be cut up like these. I'm going to be making the batter. Okay, so we need a big bowl, of course. We will need I think this is chickpea flour. Yes, chickpea flour. We'll need just a little bit of chickpea flour. That in. Okay, that's good. We'll be needing a little bit of chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri chili powder. You can use any other chili powder. Just a teensy bit. And now I'm going to be adding in the zebra powder. Give me a minute. Yeah, this one.
Let me help you find zero powder. Yeah, that's it.
Yep, that's the one. So a little bit of zebra powder too. Okay, that's done.
What else do we need?
We need
Salt?
Salt, yes.
It's
Salt.
here. Right here.
A little bit of salt. Okay. Now we're gonna add the water. A little bit. I want a thin consistency, so I'll put a little bit of water at a time. Okay.
So how much should be the consistency? How much water do we need to add?
It should be not thick consistency. It should be too thin.
Can we show it?
Give me a minute. Just a little water. Just taking this.
That should be good, right?
Yeah. The consistency is like this. A little bit like dosa batter if you eat it, see in dosa batter. That's how it's supposed to look. Not too thin, not too thick, just medium. Okay. I'll just get our oil getting hot.
We need to add the onions.
We'll add the onions
And the oil.
on that.
Which one?
The gas thingy.
Okay. Good.
That should be the one now. Okay. Let's
Switch on the gas.
the gas. Yes, let's switch on the gas. is on. And then so that we don't miss out our onions, we just put the back off. Quickly pop in our onions. Okay, we have finished putting all of our onions in. So the oil is already hot. So I'll be putting these in one by one. Okay, that batch shall be frying. Okay, so our first batch is frying, and our onions should be like this, golden brown and yellowish, like this. That's when you know it is done. Okay, so we finished our onion bhajis. Now we covered these. I think they're called long green chilies. You can cover them in the same batter, which I have showed you how to make. We'll just quickly fry them and show you how they look. Okay, so we're done frying the long green chilies and our onion bhajis. I'll show you just a look. Okay, so these are the long green chilies and these are the onion bhajis. Okay, hope you like these, and on a rainy day, remember these are the best things you want to eat. So I hope you like the recipe, and please subscribe, share, and like my videos. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.